Whoa, ah.
I've got you on 1080p, yeah.
We're trying to fly?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's see what we can do.
It's stupid this phone, you know when you put the video on. Oh, fucking hell, I can't even.
I'll keep track of it.
No.
Whoa, whoa! Ah, it's just nearly cut my finger off. The fucking bastard. Oh, it's close.
It's cut you.
I'm bleeding.
Where?
On my hand.
'Tis but a scratch.
It's blood.
'Tis but a scratch. Oh, wait then.
Scratch.
Spin it over. Let's rock it.
What would you like us to do?
I have no idea.
Some trick.
I'm saying it. These stupid iPhones. The
What's it called? It's called the fucking. Oh, look, it's flying now.
oh,
Oh, it is but a scratch.
I felt that. It's like a.
Well, that was a somersault.
I felt that.
Is that like a 3D TV?
Whoa. It didn't really go to plan.
Where's the front?
Where's the what?
Oh, wait, look
It is like a swarm of bees or something like.
That's what fucking bastard. Sounds like a swarm of bees. We've got a horror on it, like. See if we can get the horror nicely. So all the work what we've got. Whoa there.
Ah. Cunt.
I tried. But some sort of buzz just took Wallace's legs out. And I landed on Fran's head.
Don't you take me hair out?
How long have you been flying for now?
Quite a while.
Yeah? It can even be put directly to the roof with no damage to the rotor blades. Would you like to?
Sounds like it's fucking drilling the roof. It looks like some big spider or something.
It was stuck to the roof.
Oh.